love, waiting just for you. I just gotta know that your love is true. Can't keep running, boy.
Hello, I'm back with another video. I have hair and lots of it. This video, I'm going to show you how to. In this video, I'm going to show you how to care for it. This is my real hair texture. This is what my hair looks like without heat styling. It's a bit wavy. It's quite frizzy and gets tangled very easily. After many years of experimentation, I have figured out methods. I wouldn't call them methods. Basically, some products that work for me. I thought it's worth sharing. Because I don't wash my hair every day. If you're going to say I'm dirty, get out. No, it's not possible to wash all of this every day and do all the steps correctly. And back when I was in school, I used to wash it every day. I just put oil and then wash it. No shampoo, nothing. And I looked questionable. Also, now that I'm a mother, I have a small child. Do you guys know? He's very nice. I take showers. Not very often. Okay, I shower my body as well. I shower my body, but my hair, I don't do it as often. And the fact that I live in Pune and that the water here is quite hard does not make it any easier. So I actually collect water, filtered, RO filtered water that comes in the tap, kitchen tap, twice a day for 1 hour, because otherwise I'll get a lot of hair fall and itching and dandruff. Yeah, it's a lot of work. I start off with applying oil. I just use basic coconut oil. Any coconut oil is fine. Because I have a little bit of dandruff or dry scalp here in Pune, I add a little bit of lemon juice. I warm it. Don't make it hot, you'll burn your scalp. I'll add clips. Then I try to keep it on for as long as possible. Sometimes it's not possible to keep it for a long time, which is okay. And then I wash it off with shampoo. Wow, Gayatri, revolutionary. No, it's revolutionary because this is the shampoo I use. I'm not sponsored. This is an honest review. You can trust that because I'm not famous enough to be sponsored by literally anyone. This is a brand called Hask. There are a lot of options. They all work the same. They just smell different, I feel. They're really good. You use any shampoo as long as it is free from sulfate and paraben. That's what you should look for. And if there are no sulfates, it makes your hair nicer and shinier, doesn't make it super dry. So go for something that's free of sulfates and parabens. I like this one. I will try to find a link. It's a bit expensive here in India, but in US where I got this little bottle, it's my last one. I don't know what I'll do next. It was cheap there. It was like $6, which is not a lot compared to other shampoos. Will add tragic clips of me trying to wash my hair at my kitchen sink. It's very sad. It's not aesthetic. It's not glamorous as I would like it to be. It looks very but it's real life. This is how I wash my hair. Sad. This is why I decided to make this video, because my next step is not a conditioner. I've stopped using conditioners. They don't do anything for my hair, okay? It's so light that it's completely useless, and I've stopped using conditioners for almost a year. What I do instead is I use a hair mask, and I'm here to rave about this one product. I love it. I've tried a few other ones as well, but this one seems to work the best. It's Absolute Repair by L'Oreal Paris. I had dyed hair, if you remember. I had dyed my hair pink, and then all of it had faded. It was very dry and almost dead. She was not dead anymore after this. I will marry this if I could, but I'm already married. Sorry. This is what it looks like, and it smells heavenly. Bottle which costs they've increased 40 rupees. It costs 860 rupees. And if you're like, Gayatri, 860 for one bottle, it's very good and it will last you a long time. It's not going to be, done in 1 month. This lasts about like 4 to 5 months for me. I shower almost once a week. My head, not my body, okay? And yeah, so I think it's completely worth it. And what it does for your hair is, like, let me tell you, I have frizzy tangle hair where I had very much dead ends as well. It's amazing. So I apply it all over my hair. From like here, I don't put it on the roots. I don't think it's necessary, but I start from about here and then I put it everywhere. And then I wait for, it's ideal if you can wait for like half an hour, but I don't have that kind of time. So I wait for about like 5 minutes and then I wash it off in not so hot water. And after, I let it air dry because again I'm saying it for the millionth time. Do you guys understand? I have no time. Air dry and this is what my hair looks like. And you're like, not impressive. You haven't seen it without all of these things. It's much more dry and frizzy. And I haven't brushed it out. I try not to brush it out because it's way too much work. And then I have wavy hair, so I hear a lot of these things like, what is it called? Curly girl method. Again, my hair is not curly, so it does not apply to me entirely. But it is true that when I don't brush my hair and the wave pattern looks nicer. So I try not to brush it. But also there is a huge another segment of maintenance that comes with maintaining the curl and wave pattern. I don't do that. I wish I had enough determination to do that, but I don't. So I just let it be. If you are brushing out your hair, I recommend a wide tooth comb. These help you detangle much easily. Maybe you know this already. You probably know all of this already. I don't know why I'm making this video. Help detangle. Live on. Yes, it's simple live on. I don't use any fancy serums. Although I have tried. This works just fine. It does not make your hair super shiny or anything, but it helps detangle and make your hair very soft and smooth. This works. 2-3 pumps. And just run it through your hair. Ow! My hair is very tangly. It's always been like this. Better if you actually comb your wet hair with this one, not like a regular brush. But I did not get time again. This is what my hair looks like. It's a huge improvement. I don't know, I'll try to find pictures of my hair before, like many years ago when I did not know about hair masks and things like that. But now my ends are not dead. They're healthy. And I love it. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and style my whole hair. I will try to add clips of my hair in the sunlight so you can see if it shines or not. But this was a hair care routine video. This is how I care for my hair. And I think that's it. Am I done? I think I'm done. Do you like my new camera? Is it better? Is the video quality much better? It's a gift from my brother. Thanks. Okay, I don't know if the audio quality is good in this. I'm gonna test it out. Oh, I forgot. Look at my nails. Cute. Look at it. Okay, my face track is on. Can you see? Painted daisies on my nails.